Peace, peace, family. Welcome to another edition of King Web TV. I'm your boy, King Web, and we are in the second snowstorm of the year in New York City. And would you look at this? Look at this. Look at this. Whoa, this is crazy. Look at this. Isn't it nice? I don't know how we gonna maneuver through this shit. But look at this shit. Whoa. You ain't gonna be able to see it, but I'm approaching the corner of 123rd Street and Madison Avenue, Harlem, New York. Wow, look at this shit. This is 123rd Street in Harlem. Look at this. As far as the human eye could see. Whoa. You see that? Let's go on the street. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this shit. Isn't it gorgeous? My goodness, look at this. Look at the park. Look at our park. As you can see, look how deep this snow is. This snow, wait, see if you can see it. It's literally up to my knees. Up to my knees, y'all. Wow. Look at this. Look at the trees. Crazy. Here come a bus. Yo. They out there working. They getting their work on. They getting their work on. The bus is doing their thing, y'all. As you can see, the corner of 123rd Street. New York City Transit is on the case. Go ahead, y'all. Rain, hail, sleet, snow. Buses got to get you where you want to go. And look at that. This is my building. It's crazy. It's pretty. All the trees are covered. Straight down 123rd. This is dope. The second snowstorm of the year in New York City. We are covered, y'all. Wow. See if I can make my way. You gotta walk in the street. You cannot walk on the sidewalk at all. Can't walk on the sidewalk at all. What's up, my brother? All right. You can forget about the sidewalk. Look at the sidewalk. Whoa. Look at the pole and look at the snow. And that's the park. Look at, man, listen. Whoa. Look at that tree right there. That's crazy. Look at that tree. It's beautiful, dude. Yo. This is your boy, King Web, y'all. And I'm in Harlem on 124th Street, approaching 124th Street, Manhattan Avenue. The cars are covered. People just say, I am not coming out to shovel. This started yesterday, which was Sunday. The snowstorm started Sunday, about 6, all right, like 6 p.m. And it's Monday and still snowing. Look at this. Look at that. And they say this snow is not going to stop until Monday, 2 p.m. So we still got it going on in New York. When well, this is what makes you a diehard New Yorker. This is what we do. That's why New Yorkers talk so much crap. When people be talking that stuff about New York, man, we live through all of it. Anything. We got it going on. We make it do what it do. Look at that beautiful wonderland. And that's just how it is. I hope y'all enjoying this. As you can see, the credit unions across the street. But anywho, I'm just giving y'all a taste of the place where I'm at right now. And this is your boy, King Webb. And I'm signing off. Look at this beautiful, solid, white atmosphere. Here in Harlem, man. Y'all enjoy. Y'all be safe. It was nice talking with you. Peace.